Subscribe to Mastermind channel and click the bell icon to get the latest updates of our videos.
So hi guys, this is Barsha and you're watching Mastermind. So friends, in this session we are going to discuss how to differentiate. So friends, we are going to learn how to do differentiation. So friends, as I've already said you, differentiation, this is very important. This is needed for your questions solving numericals in physics. You need to differentiate, and it is also needed in chemistry as well as mathematics. In your chemistry numericals also it is needed as well as mathematics. So differentiation, this is very important, and this is there in your class 12 as well as for class 11. This is important. And whatever formulas I have written, there are total 13 formulas that I have provided you. So these 13 formulas, these are there which is needed for your class 11. And in your class 12, there are more formulas will be there. So I have given you only the formulas that will be needed for your class 11. So we will be doing some of the questions so that you can understand better. So I'll be reading out all the formulas. So first of all, ddx of x is 1. So ddx means differentiation. It is d by dx, but I am reading it as ddx because it is read as in this way only. So ddx of x, ddx means differentiation. As you can see everywhere I have written ddx, that means differentiation. You need to differentiate. So ddx of x is 1. ddx of 1 or anything, it can any constant term is 0. Constant means 1, 2, 3, 4 and all the numbers or numerals are constant. So any constant term, ddx, differentiation of any constant term is 0. ddx of sine x is cos x. ddx of cos x is minus sine x. You have to learn all these formulas. You have to mug it up properly because this is very important. ddx of cos x is minus sine x. ddx of tan x is sec square x. ddx of cot x is minus cos x square x. And ddx of e to the power x is e to the power x only, where e is your exponential. E is known as exponential. Now next formula is ddx of x to the power n. So ddx of x to the power n is n, power will come front. So it is nx to the power n minus 1. This is the formula. So you have to mug it up. ddx of sec x is sec x tan x. ddx of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. And ddx of u into v. If you have to differentiate and if any term is given in the form of u into v, so you have to apply this formula u ddx of v plus v ddx of u. And if it is ddx of u by v, if it is in fraction form and u by v is there, that means u by v form. So you have to use this formula v ddx of u minus u ddx of v divided by v square. So now I will be showing you how to do some of the questions so that you can do it on your own. So I'll be giving you examples. And friends, I missed one. ddx of log x is 1 by x. I missed this one. So now I'll be giving you some of the examples. So the first one, differentiate the following. So you have to differentiate all the questions. So first one is x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. So you need to do differentiation. So you need to write ddx. And then you have to write it as it is, x plus 1, x minus 1. Now you need to differentiate, and which formula you have to apply? You have to apply here u by v form. This is in u by v form, so you have to apply u by v formula. So the formula for u by v, this one, it is v ddx of u minus u ddx of v divided by v square. So I am using this formula here. So it is going to be v ddx of u by v. So this is v, so this will come front, x minus 1, v ddx of u. U is this one, upper one, so it is x plus 1, v ddx of u minus u ddx of v, minus u is this one, so it is x plus 1, u ddx of v. This is x plus 1, ddx of v. So v is this one, x minus 1, divided by, it is divided by v square. So you need to write here divided by v square. Divided by v square. V is this down portion one. So this is there. Now you need to write x minus 1 as it is and ddx of this. So here x is there, as I have already said you before. It is there in the formula ddx of x is 1. So ddx of x will be 1. And this, you don't have to write ddx again because you have differentiated this one. And ddx of 1 is there. Plus sign as it is we need to write. And ddx of 1. So I have already said you this is a constant term. So for any constant term, differentiation is 0. So it will be 1 plus 0. So I am not writing here 0. Now minus x minus 1 as it is you need to write, and here again you need to differentiate. So ddx of x is 1 again, and minus is there, so minus, and ddx of any constant term is 0. So now it will be divided by x minus 1 whole square. So this into multiplied by this is this one, x minus 1 only, minus x, and here is minus minus plus, so plus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square. Now this bracket I am going to remove it. Minus x plus x will get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled, and 0 by anything is 0, so the answer will be 0. Now next one is sin x into cos x. So here you can see it is in u into v form. It is not u by v, it is u into v form, so you have to apply this formula, u into v formula. So differentiation of u into v is u ddx of v plus v ddx of u. So I am applying here, it is u ddx of v, u is sin x, u ddx of v, v is cos x, plus v ddx of u, v is cos x, v ddx of u, u is sin x. So sin x as it is I am writing here, ddx of cos x is minus sin x, so I am writing here minus sin x plus cos x, and differentiation of ddx of sin x. So ddx of sin x is cos x. So I am writing here cos x. So minus sign will come front, and sin x into sin x is sin square x, plus cos x into cos x is cos square x. So this is your answer. If it would be plus here, if minus would not be there, so sin square x plus cos square x is 1. You all know that. Now next one, 5 sin x minus 6 cos x plus 7. So I am doing this one out here since there is no space. So I am doing it out here. So 5 sin x. As you all know that 5 is a constant term, but it is there with, it is in multiplied form with sin x. So we are not going to write here 0 for 5x because it is in multiplied form. So we are going to write 5 only, and sin x, ddx of sin x is cos x. ddx of sin x is cos x, so it will be cos x minus, now again it is in multiplied form, so ddx of 6 we are not going to write, this is constant, but we are not going to write 0, so it will be 6 only, as it is we have to leave it, and ddx of cos x is minus sin x, so it will be minus sin x. And plus, now this is not in multiplied form with anything, so ddx of any constant term here is 0. So I am not writing here. It means same, plus 0. Now 5 cos x minus minus is plus 6 sin x. So this is your answer. So this is how you need to do differentiation. So friends, this was the video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, then please do give the thumbs up button and subscribe our channel Mastermind, and do comment us if you have any doubts or queries. Thank you.